I've been trying to find the right words to describe and encapsulate the feeling that this home evokes, but I haven't been able to. So this is the indescribable, there are no words, luxurious tour of this super luxurious, limitlessly luxurious, unlimitedly luxurious skyrise home in Ikoyi's finest neighborhood. Now, you notice that I keep saying luxurious. And make no mistake, that's no mistake because everything in this home development is set up to inspire you with the endless feeling of luxury. Ask me how. Okay, so I'll tell you. This home development that you see was constructed by best in school constructors who delivered this excellent tall edifice that you see standing here. This skyrise home consists of 15 units of 3 and 4 bedroom apartments and 2 penthouses. Now, the 2 and 3 bedroom apartments are entitled or are located 2 car parking, underground parking, and then they can have limitless parking outside of the skyrise building. And then those in the penthouse get 4 car park spaces allotted to them. And they also have unlimited parking outside of the skyrise. This home comes with a gym, a meeting room, a conference room, a game room, a multi-purpose game sports center, a swimming pool for adults, a pool for kids, green area for kids, you've got a spa, you've got 24-hour concierge services, you've got 24-hour power supply, and 3 standby heavy-duty KVA generators, you've got elevators, you've got unisex saloons. Look, I would go on and on if I had to, reel everything out to you. But let me show you. Let me do better than tell you. Let me show you. So as soon as you come up the stairway, you of course have elevators, but as soon as you come up the stairway, you walk into this wonderful mini ante-room space. Here you have a mantle where you can actually have like a key holder catchment area. So you have all of that. And so from this ante-room area, you walk into the living room proper. Now, I'd like to mention that this whole unit has been staged so as to give you an idea of what you can maximize the space for. But of course, you can customize with your own preferences in mind. So right here, you've got space to maybe put up a visitor's like waiting room. So you have like more like an informal area where your guests can chill and wait and, get cozy and comfortable. So that's that. And then you have all the control switches. You have the doorbell here, so you can access whoever is at your door. Meanwhile, I have to mention all the entrances are controlled access. So security is top notch in this home. And over here, you have the guest bathroom featuring the most beautiful tiling features. Like the gray contrast is absolutely impeccably done. Yes, so you have that as the guest bathroom. And now, of course, here you also have space for what could easily be the dining area. I mean, you can, like I said, customize and make this flexible to work for you. But this is the dining room area. You have the pendant lighting over here. This sits very comfortably. And then you also have space as well for like a side mantle. Now, this home comes with fire sprinklers and smoke detectors. So you're also safe from any accidents. And of course, you have inbuilt speakers. Now, over here is the main living room. So it's quite a nice size, for a living area. You can play with, there are endless possibilities with this living room. So this is the living room area. You have the TV wall over there. So you kick your sexy feet up and watch a nice game of football or Netflix and chill. And then I would love to show you one of the glowing features of this home, and that is the terrace view. Let me thrill you and serenade you. Okay, hold on. So let me thrill you with this gorgeous view of this terrace that shows the entire estate home in all of its glory. So you step outside to this lovely view. Now this is the multi-purpose sports center I mentioned to you. So you can have like a game of tennis, you can have a game of basketball over there. And you have this green area, nice and cool for the kids to play. The facade of this home, first of all, guys, it is absolutely brilliant. It stands out in all of the homes that currently sit on the Ikoyi axis. There is no other home with the most brilliant aesthetics and facade as this. I can tell you that for free because I tour the streets all the time. So this is really nice. And then right here, you can see from this level, you can see the adult swimming pool over there. It's a nice Olympic size pool. And over there, you have the kids pool as well. And right across is the gym, which I'll show you in cutaways. But, there's the gym there. The conference room is somewhere over there as well. The concierge service is somewhere over there as well. I'll show you everything. But this is a huge size terrace. Like, this is absolutely nice. all the features in this home, absolutely brilliant. I love that. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you the terrace view, and now we step back in. All right, now stepping away from the terrace, I would like to show you the kitchen. So this is the entire living space that I've just walked you through. Absolutely nicely done, very cozy. I want to mention one thing. All the doors and windows in this home are soundproof, double glazed, so not a sound, not an exterior sound coming into your home. But that's just to also continue the peace and tranquility that you enjoy when you invest in this home. All right, so now let's step into the kitchen area. This is a fully fitted kitchen with the best of wood finishing and the best of European fixtures and appliances. Over here you have the microwave, you have a double door fridge. Let me show you. Okay, so that's that double door fridge. You also have the grill and the oven over here. You have the space where you can have breakfast with the kids and the family every morning and catch up on wonderful moments. You also have a double sink over here. You have the stand where you can showcase your nice cutlery and dishes. You also have an ancillary sink over here. Lots and lots of cabinetry space, decked in the finest wood. And of course you have the cookware here, the cooker, and you have this heavy duty extractor over here. Of course you have pull-out drawers as well where you can house your knives and cutlery and stuff. And then of course over there you have a pantry. So let me show you the pantry. The pantry is over here to the left. It's nicely done, so you can stash away some of your cooking goods. Yes, that's nice. And I'd also like to show you this home comes with an ancillary space for the boys' quarter. Now, an interesting thing about this kitchen is that it also leads to a separate BQ area for your service or support staff. But this is accessed separately from the main house. Okay, so your support staff can access it from this staircase or from the lift over here, which is the lift for the service staff. So this is it's a 2-bedroom BQ boys' quarters. This is one of the bedrooms, nice size. So your support staff can actually feel very comfortable. And if you have a support staff that has kids, you know, they can get really comfortable here as well. And this is the 2nd bedroom for the support staff as well. And just in case they have, you know, of course they do have needs. Maybe you're going to be away from the home and they need to cook. They also have like a support kitchenette space here with the extractor. You can easily install an electrical cooker over here. So that's nice. And then this is the support staff bathroom that they can use as well with a shower and a toilet. Now this door leads back, like I said, this is the access for the support staff to come into your home without even having to access your kitchen. And here, right here, you have all the vents, you know, for the AC. So there will never be a time when there's no power in this house, 24-hour power, and there's standby features as well. So I just wanted to show you that. So now let's leave all of this part and go into the first room of the house. So that's the kitchen. Now let me show you this. Like I said, is a 4-bedroom apartment. So let me show you the very first room. To the left over here is the 1st bedroom. Come along and let me show you. Okay, all right. So welcome to the 1st bedroom. Nice natural light is the first thing that hits your eyes as soon as you walk into this room. It is light, it is airy and spacious. Now, each room in this 4-bedroom apartment come with its own balcony, except for the children's room. Just for security reasons, the children's room doesn't come with a balcony. So this is a nice view. Here you have the closet with the best of finished glazed wood. So there's that. You have side drawers as well. And then this is the bathroom over here. So this bathroom is done really nicely. Let me put on the lights, okay? All right, so this is the bathroom, matte tiling, and then you have this brick finish for the feature wall in the bathroom, really nice. And then you have this wash hand sink, and then the flush and toilet. So first room done. Let's see the 2nd room. This 2nd room I'm about to show you is the kiddies room. All right, so now I'm about to show you the kiddies room, which is right over here. But to the left here is the box room or data room, where you can store away all your heavy duty equipment, all the electricals. can be stashed away nicely in this corner over here. But right here is the kiddies room. Interesting thing about this master's bedroom is that it links and gives you access to the terrace in the living room, which I showed you before. So that's really nice. Lovely views from the windows of the entire estate amenities. You can see multi-sport courts from here. You can even see the swimming pool from here. Let me show you the bathroom real quick. The bathroom features the most aesthetically pleasing double vanity. Of course, you can pull all of this out like so for storage. You have this wonderful his and hers setup. You have lights, and then you have the shower cubicle. You can easily install a bathtub in here. You know, everything is flexible, and you can customize however you see fit. So you have the bidet over there for the guys, and then you have the toilet, and then you have the shower cubicle. So that's really nice. Beautiful tiling feature in this bathroom as well. All right, so this is the third bedroom that we have seen. I'm going to go on to show you the last bedroom in this 4-bedroom apartment in this gorgeous skyrise home. It's been a wonderful home tour. This home is just calming in the most cinematic sense. Right? So this is the last bedroom, guys. Look at this rich foliage that greets you every morning. You wake up to a piece of nature. Love it. I don't know anybody who wouldn't want to live here. So you have like a small workstation, a work nook over there. You have the side drawers that you can store some essentials in here. And then of course, this is the bathroom where you have like the vanity, you have this, and then you have the shower cubicle. It's beautiful. So 4 bedrooms in all. Like I said before, this home features 3-bedroom and 4-bedroom apartments. Now this door actually over here is an emergency door. So in case of a fire outbreak, you have your fire extinguishers situated here, and you can access the exit of the building using this door here. So 3 accesses into this home, all access controlled. And like I said, we have 3-bedroom apartments listed, we have 4-bedroom apartments, and then we have 2 penthouses. And some of the apartments also have an extended terrace. Okay guys, so I'm literally in the thick of it. This is the extended terrace for the 3-bedroom apartment. So that's one of the beautiful features when you invest in the 3-bedroom apartments of this skyrise. You also get that terrace and this extended terrace. How cool is that? Like, you can throw the best parties, have the best luncheons. You can even have a mini-sized, very intimate wedding on this very deck and enjoy the entire views of Ikoyi's finest. Like, literally, this is where the who is who reside, and you are in the middle of everything. Look at the gorgeous views of Ikoyi. This is absolutely beautiful.